Carly, your health and wellness coach here, and I wanted to welcome you because I wanted to start showing you guys how easy it is to make your own products. And as a health coach and wellness coach, I know how important it is to have proper nutrition, regular exercise. However, a lot of times we don't think about all of our environmental stress, that oxidative stress that happens. So people tend to get a little squeamish about making their own products. It's so much easier, I understand, to go to the store and just buy it. But it really truly is filled with more chemicals than you even can imagine. So I'm gonna show you step by step, starting small, how easy that is. So today we're gonna start with how to make your own window cleaner. And you're gonna wanna start with getting a glass bottle. And I'll take out my little recipe book here that has everything in there for me. Then I want to start with a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. A little bit more. Then I move to a 1/2 cup of vinegar. There we go. And then the next ingredient is a little bit different. I actually was a little surprised when I wanted to start making my own products, but you need cornstarch. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, and it really is very inexpensive. So I grabbed the cornstarch, and you really want cornstarch because glass, mirrors, windows, all of that isn't actually made smooth. When they make it, there's these small, teeny tiny little grooves or pits that if you don't add the cornstarch, you will end up with water spots. So the cornstarch really adheres to that and it helps to clean that window or glass, whatever it is that you may have. So you want 1 tablespoon, that's it, for the whole glass bottle. I shake it in. Then you add 2 cups of water. And then an option is something that I always like to do is to add some essential oils. And about 10 drops, and you can kind of play around with which ones you want. During Christmas time, I may want to add some cinnamon and some pine. But for the summertime, I'm going to add about 4 drops of Summery Savory, which has an antiseptic in it, as well as some wild orange. Now you can do lemon or lemongrass. 1, 2. So about 6 drops of that, and about 4 drops of my Summery Savory. It's very strong, so you do not need a lot. Perfect. And then after you add the water, just screw it on. And because it has the cornstarch, make sure every time you use it to shake it up before you spray it onto the window or the glass or the mirror, whatever it is that you have. And then once you spray it, you may have to wipe it down a couple of times and you are going to have beautiful windows. Streak-free, shiny, and anyone who knows me knows that my windows are constantly dirty between my dogs and my kids. And I love this stuff. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you found some good information, please share it, like it, comment below if you have any questions or anything else that you might do. Thank you.